Well, good morning, good afternoon, and of course, good evening, traders from across the globe. Broadcasting again on Thursday night from New York City for trading on Friday, April 14th, 2023. This is your video 2558. Traders, welcome and thank you for tuning in. Thank you for hanging out with me while I'm here in New York City. Thank you for hanging out with Mikey in my live trading room. He's doing a great job, I understand. Mikey, thank you. Love you, kid. All right, so risky. We know trading is risky. Don't ever trade without stops. Put those protective stops in first before you even enter into a position. And if your clearing firm doesn't allow that, move from that clearing firm immediately. You must put stops in first. It's a risky game. All right, so for trading on 4/14/2023 Friday, OMNI immediately flipped back to a buyer of dips in E-mini S&P, and I'm going to call this Friday Bull Flag Friday. Let me show you why. This is Bull Flag Friday, baby. Check this out. There are bull flags all over the place. All right, Dave, you can't be in my video. Hey, buddy, you just made the video, so you got to hang up, and I'll call you back. Got to go. All right, so sorry about that, kids. Bull Flag Friday. Hey, man, how about that, huh? So let me show you why. Bull flag in the E-mini S&P, right? Clearly a bull flag after breaking out of this channel, if you will, to the downside. Rallied up with the bull flag pole, created a flag, and the OMNI is green and wants to buy dips for trading on Friday. Check this guy out. NASDAQ, look at this bull flag. It is Bull Flag Friday. Check this guy out, nice and strong. Hit the bottom of the flag and the top of the flag, or just about in the last couple of days, and the OMNI has flipped to bullish for trading on Friday. There's a few more things out there we need to look at. Silver. Remember I told you yesterday silver would be a better, silver and gold would be an easier opportunity to get into, or at least try to get into, than the indices? Well, silver exploded on Thursday, and we want to buy silver again on Friday. It broke out, well, if you can get a fill, of course. Broke out of the pennant flag. It's in a bull channel. The OMNI's green. That's for silver. And there's another one I want to show you. Look at gold. Gold looks fantastic here. The OMNI is still a buyer of dips in gold because it has just broken out of the pennant flag, like silver did, and is exploding, and the OMNI is green for trading gold on Friday. And I think you have an easier chance at gold and silver tomorrow than S&P again, but we'll see what we can do. And there is one more. This is all being brought to you by this little friend of ours. Let me show it to you. This is all being brought to you by the good old dollar index, and here's what it looks like. This is the weekly U.S. dollar. It put in a big left shoulder over weeks and weeks of time. The head has been put in, a big right shoulder, little bit of an Oscarism known as the head test failure, and down we are going. And that is the indication that you should get when you fall out of a weekly head and shoulders, is down you should go. So everything I just showed you, all those bull flags are all being brought to you by the U.S. dollar index dropping as rapidly as it's been dropping. I wanted to show that to all of you. Please go to livewithoscar.com. Mikey, my son, is running the room while I'm here in New York City. Of course, every night I'm doing my analysis, and every evening I'm doing videos for you, and I will stay on the markets. Traders, I need you to stay on the markets, and I need your emotions out of your trading decisions. How can you do that? Say this with me over and over again. At least say it this one time. Are you ready? 1, 2, 3. Stops are in. Emotions are out. Traders, thank you so much for tuning in. Good luck out there. Put your stops in first and keep an eye on those precious metals.